Hello, this is part 2 of scheduling for rising 6th graders. Thank you for joining the tutorial. This is Dr. Gareth Shaw, the incoming future 6th grade school counselor, and we're going over schedule courses for 2020, 2021. And if you have any additional questions, the previous tutorial had information, or curriculum guide has information on all the courses that your child will need to take. And if you click that link, it will bring you access to the curriculum guide. This will give you descriptions of course selections and a description of which each class has to offer. So if you could go down at any time you have a question, you can contact the secretary, Monique Guyton. This is her email, and myself, Dr. Gareth Shaw. You can also reach me at 609-699-4021. My extension is 4003, and please leave a good time to contact you back. You can please indicate your child's name as it appears in PowerSchool, their first and last name here. I also need you to pick semester classes. So what you need to do is you need to go over these 10 courses with your child and rank them on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being their most preferred class, 2, 3, okay, down to 10, which is their least likely that they want. So you can read the descriptions here, and each class should be given a number or a ranking, and you can access the 10 by moving and scrolling over. These are fun classes that children really enjoy taking. Okay, there are also year-long classes that your child can take if you're currently involved in band or orchestra. You can indicate that here, and please write here at the bottom what your child currently plays. Some students also want to take chorus, and chorus can also be taken with band and orchestra by waiving some of the elective classes, which we will go to. Some students are also eligible to take encore if your child is currently in the encore program, or if you want to have your child tested for the encore program, you can contact Liz Scott, and Liz Scott will review the requirements and testing with you. Okay, so course waivers. If you go down below, some children who want to take band or an encore class and still want to take other electives, this is a good choice here. So what you would need to do is you need to read the course waivers and waive your child out of some of these classes that are required. So the first one is if your child is a well-organized student with A's and is an encore student, you can waive out of study skills. And this allows your child to take an additional semester elective. Currently, most kids take 2 electives, but based on things like labs, they may not be able to. Here, if your child also wants to take an encore class, this is something, waiving out of study skills will allow them to take another elective. This section right here are those students who are an encore student who also want to take a full year class, such as chorus, orchestra, and band. And this will allow them to take that, as well as waiving out of music and art, which is a quarter class, which equals 1 semester, and study skills, and allow them to take more electives. And below here are for students who are very well organized, okay? They are taking, and they want to take a chorus, an orchestra, and a band, okay? And therefore it's 2 years of music classes, and they would waive out of the music, art, study skills, and Spanish. So this one is for the child who is taking 2 years of music, 2 years of full year music, 2 full year music classes, and which takes up a lot of their electives, and they would opt out or waive out of the music and art, study skills, and Spanish class, okay? And what you would need to do then is hit submit, and this will get will submit to us. And at any time you have a question about this, please, contact us. And this will give us information on your child, and we will start inputting that data into the computer system, start creating schedules for next year. And I know some of this is a little bit overwhelming, but remember that schedules can be changed. If you have any questions in the beginning of summer, reach out to one of us, and this will allow us to make changes to your schedule if you were confused or you didn't know what your child wanted to take. Okay. Thank you again for joining us. And I hope everyone is doing well.